Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Ho, 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 ho.
Hey Santa, I want to make some teddy bears.
Oh, oh, oh.
What's the password for the grotto?
The password is the jingle bell. Oh.
Santa baby, can I have some candy games from the grotto? What's the password, darling?
It is a jingle bell, sir. Don't tell nobody.
Hey Santa, what's the password for the grotto?
It's a jingle bell, elf.
What's the password for Santa's grotto?
Why is it a jingle bell?
Hey Santa, can I have the magic dust for the reindeer? And can I have, what's the password?
Why is that a jingle bells, of course?
Hello, Mr. Grinch.
Hello, little elf. I want to nick the toys. Get a spanner out the grotto. What's the password?
I don't know if I should tell you.
You can trust me, I won't tell anyone.
Promise you won't tell anyone?
Promise.
Okay then, it's Jingle Bells, but it's our secret.
Thank you, little elf.
Right. At the time these are the times to use my livery. Oh no! Oh no! Someone stole it to the toys and made my photo. Oh no!